Okay, here in the last few days, I've been getting emails from YouTube about copyright claims in my videos. And I noticed that it was one song or music that I was downloaded from Camtasia. And I thought maybe I had the rights to this. But let me show you what emails I'm getting. Just say, for instance, this one right here. It says that I have a copyright song or some owner have claimed copyright to this. It don't affect my channel. I don't get no strike against it. It's just that I cannot monetize it. I cannot get paid for this. So I'm gonna show you. You can click right here and view the details. You click it, it takes you to your YouTube, and it tells you right here. It shows you what is going on. I ain't gonna play it because it's a little portion of this little song right here that is on my video that this person or this company claimed. So it's some actions you can take. I've already did action on this, so you can just click down here. It says it's unable while video is processing. So I'm gonna show you what to do. Let me exit out of this. I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel, and up here I'm gonna type filter. You can hit your filter and hit copyright claims. And you notice I had 4 videos up here, but one I disputed, and I'm gonna show you how to do it here. Or you could just go right here where it says copyright claims, hit details, and what you want to do is go down here to actions. As you can see, this part of the video is playing music. So what you want to do is go down to your action. You could trim out that segment right there, which you probably don't want to do. You could replace it with other music. If you got voiceover, I wouldn't do it. Or you could just go here and just mute that song. So you click on it, and what you want to do, mute all sound with song play when song plays. So this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. So remove all the sound in your video that claims song plays. This option is usually faster and more likely to remove the claim. Like I said, I had 4 claims. This one I just did about 30, maybe 10, 15 minutes ago, and it's working fine now. So you want to click this one and hit continue. And it say this might take a few minutes. And then hit mute. You want it to mute that song. So it's processing now. That's all it takes. And about 15 minutes later, your copyright song will be removed, and you will be able to monetize that video again. As you can see, my other one, I also did this. I wasn't able to monetize this one either because of the copyright. Now it has none on there. And as we was looking, it was copyright. So let me go through here and filter this again. I'm gonna just hit filter, put copyright claims. And you see it's only these 2 videos now. You remember we did it before, it was 3. So this one is being processed right now. So this copyright claim would be removed because I'm gonna mute that song. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.